Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal raisin cookies from scratch. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, both dry and wet, ensuring everything is measured and ready to go. Having your mixie in place prepared makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll cover everything from flour and oats to butter, sugars, and of course, plenty of plump raisins for that perfect chewy texture. Let's get baking. Next, we'll move on to the crucial step of mixing your cookie dough. Begin by creaming together softened butter with both brown and granulated sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This aeration is key for a tender cookie. Then, beat in your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. This careful process ensures a perfect texture. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, raisins. Gently fold them into your prepared dough, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout. Then, using a spoon or cookie scoop, drop rounded spoonfuls of dough onto your baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie for proper spreading. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven until their edges are golden brown and the centers are set, which usually takes around 10 to 12 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. Once your oatmeal raisin cookies are baked to perfection, it's important to let them cool properly. First, allow them to rest on the baking sheet for a few minutes. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents the bottoms from becoming soggy. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will remain delicious for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.